friends. I'm so glad you could come join me for some hot cocoa, and I just wanted to share my little bar area. So pull up a chair and have some hot cocoa with me, because I got different ways to show you how I displayed this. And on top it will change, as you can see throughout the video. There's different decor that I put up there, and this is kind of what I have going on right now. So it kind of just changes. I got the little gingerbread inside the little mugs. I got this hot cocoa plaque, and just overall some little goodies. And I just love how this turned out, and I really don't show this area too much. I'm not sure why I haven't, but I really don't show this, and I just think it's so fun to kind of spruce it up for the seasons. So that little gingerbread, like for the oven kind of, that is from the Dollar Tree. Then this Let It Snow is also from the Dollar Tree. But I want to add these cookies, and I want to add these little foam shapes from Target Dollar Spot. So I'm not sure. I'm kind of playing around with either hanging them on top, but I think I'm going to add some to the tree. So we'll see how those turn out. Which way do you like it better? Hanging from the top or displayed in the back? And here I took a step back so you could see that I did remove some of the things from on top. So I did add some on the tree, and I went ahead and put them on the back just to see what they would look like, the little gingerbread hanging. I think it just turned out so adorable. And then I did add the cookies and the flower ray done. I think it just looks so inviting. And some of these pictures I take, they're sometimes for Instagram. So if you want to join me on Instagram, I'd love to have you. It is decor.mommy. Hey guys, it's nighttime already. I like to film better in the daytime, but I wanted to do this, but I wasn't sure I had the time to do it. I only had 2 of these Dollar Tree papers, and this is what I was able to do. This chalkboard over here, it was done with whatever was left over. I still didn't get a chance to finish around it, but I just wanted to give you an idea. This is the Dollar Tree paper, and I put it to make it look like a brick wall, just to give it like a different look. And this chalkboard, I ran out right there. I ran out on the side, but just to give you an idea. And you could see, which one do you like better, with or without? And I didn't go all the way high, but just so you can see how you could change a little area, make it look really different. And I mean, you could always take this off. Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you my fireplace. I wanted it to look different for this season. I did add a little bit of ornaments at the bottom to make it look like little crystals and snow falling. And I have these 3 wreaths, but I wasn't sure if I was going to keep them. So I ended up taking them off, but I just wanted to see what they would look like And those windows, I just put them on there, but they don't really belong there. And then down here I wanted to add like more snow, and with those little balls I wanted to make a snowman.
Alright guys, this is my kitchen, and I don't think I've ever really shown my kitchen before since it's been painted. And this is like the little area where you can sit, and I have a little ornament right here, some candy. Here's the stove. I am burning Mary Cookie, I believe. Yeah, Mary Cookie. This is my little hot cocoa area, and this kind of changes here and there. And then this is another little area that I have. I just have some oatmeal there, some cookies, and this is kind of like falling. So this is kind of how that little area kind of looks like. And okay guys, I got this remote control from Walmart, and I wanted to see how it looked, how it lights up. Looks like it lights up good. Then you turn it off. And then I have one here as well. I added another shelf to my kitchen. I just love shelves. I just do. And I just added it to my kitchen for now. If you're coming from my kitchen, I did paint. This is like our little pantry. I did paint this black, and then I did write this on it. And then the pantry is filled with some kind of goodies in there. That's another whole story. Okay, so I did change this little area out, and I was in the mood of doing some little Ray done. I guess what inspired me is that I got my little marshmallow guys. They're so cute. I did get them for my birthday, so thank you for that present. And then I just added the skates and a little tree up here. And I picked up this little refrigerator. It was Black Friday, and I thought it was really cute, but I can't really get it right now. And then I just, this was what I decided to put out for, this is a thrift store find, and I kind of want to spray paint him pink though, just so he could fit in this little decor. And this is kind of what I have going on this side. And this really made me want to like do something with this, like a little Christmas tree or something with that. But this is how this is looking over here at the moment. And then I have my little scarf here. Kind of simple. Open it, but it's just a little pink refrigerator. You could probably stick your waters in there. sodas, you know. I thought it was really cute. And I did get that on Black Friday at Walmart.